Introduction: Sustainable materials in building design. Sustainable materials play a crucial role in modern building design by promoting environmental responsibility, reducing energy consumption, and enhancing overall building performance. Their integration into construction practices reflects a commitment to eco-friendly design principles and helps address the challenges of climate change and resource depletion. Environmental impact reduction. Lower carbon footprint. Sustainable materials are selected for their reduced environmental impact, including lower carbon emissions during production and use. Materials such as recycled steel, bamboo, and reclaimed wood have a smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional options, contributing to lower greenhouse gas emissions throughout the building's life cycle. Resource efficiency. Using sustainable materials often involves utilizing resources more efficiently. For example, materials derived from renewable sources or those that require less energy to produce help conserve natural resources and reduce environmental degradation. This efficient use of resources supports long-term sustainability and reduces the strain on the planet's ecosystems. Energy efficiency and performance. Improved insulation. Many sustainable materials offer superior insulation properties, which enhance a building's energy efficiency. Materials such as cellulose insulation, cork, and hempcrete provide excellent thermal performance, reducing the need for heating and cooling. This improved insulation helps lower energy consumption and operational costs. Energy-efficient technologies. Sustainable materials often integrate well with energy-efficient technologies. For example, materials that support passive solar design, such as high-performance glazing and thermal mass materials, can help optimize natural light and heat, further reducing energy requirements and enhancing building performance. Health and well-being. Indoor air quality. Sustainable materials contribute to better indoor air quality by reducing the presence of harmful chemicals and pollutants. Low VOC, volatile organic compound, paints, natural fiber carpets, and non-toxic adhesives improve the indoor environment, promoting healthier living and working spaces. Non-toxic and safe. Materials that are free from harmful chemicals and toxins enhance the safety and well-being of occupants. Sustainable options such as natural stone, bamboo, and recycled materials often have fewer health risks compared to conventional materials that may off-gas or contain hazardous substances. Longevity and durability. Increased durability. Sustainable materials are often chosen for their durability and long lifespan. For example, materials like concrete, steel, and recycled composites are resistant to wear and weathering, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. This longevity contributes to the overall sustainability of a building by minimizing resource use and waste over time. Reduced maintenance. Materials that are durable and require minimal maintenance contribute to the building's sustainability by lowering life cycle costs and reducing the need for frequent renovations. This durability ensures that buildings remain functional and attractive for longer periods, supporting long-term environmental and economic goals. Economic benefits. Cost savings. While sustainable materials may have a higher initial cost, they often lead to significant cost savings over the building's life cycle. Energy-efficient designs reduce utility bills, while durable materials lower maintenance and replacement costs. Additionally, many green building certifications and incentives offer financial benefits for incorporating sustainable practices. Increased property value. Buildings constructed with sustainable materials often have higher property values due to their energy efficiency, durability, and environmental credentials. This increased value reflects the growing demand for eco-friendly and responsible building practices, making sustainable materials a sound investment for property owners and developers. Compliance and certification. Green building standards. Using sustainable materials helps buildings meet various green building standards and certifications, such as LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or BREEAM, Building Research Establishment Environmental Assessment Method. Compliance with these standards demonstrates a commitment to environmental stewardship and enhances the building's marketability. Regulatory requirements. Many regions have implemented regulations and incentives to promote the use of sustainable materials. These regulations often include requirements for energy efficiency, emissions reductions, and resource conservation, further encouraging the adoption of sustainable building practices. Conclusion. The role of sustainable materials in building design. Sustainable materials play a vital role in modern building design by reducing environmental impact, enhancing energy efficiency, and promoting occupant health and well-being. Their integration supports long-term sustainability goals and contributes to more responsible and effective building practices. By prioritizing sustainable materials, designers and builders can create structures that are not only functional and aesthetically pleasing but also aligned with global efforts to protect and preserve the environment.